You've got to drill down into exactly what that is that makes you so special so that you can articulate it to others. Because if you can't articulate it, others are not going to be able to guess it or articulate it either.
One of your Forbes articles talks about steps that aspiring leaders can take to build a personal brand online. Can you talk about why you think it's so important for leaders to have a personal brand? Some might say, isn't it enough to let their previous work speak for themselves? Why do they need a brand behind that?
Everyone has a personal brand, whether you know it or not. And a brand is, just what people think about you when you're not in the room, your brand promise, what they think that you will provide by interacting with you. Personally, it may be you're a quiet individual and will just do the work and they can't expect anything more from you. From others, you're bringing a lot of innovative ideas, products, and services to market. It just depends, But what's really important is that you transform your personal brand into a leadership brand, because in today's environment, our attention spans are so short, and only those that are able to provide what I call differentiating value are the ones that are earning the right to be heard. And once you earn the right to be heard, that's at the point when you get more support, more clients, promotions, you get the rewards that are associated with doing a good job. If you already are going to have a personal brand anyway, why don't you, do a few proactive things to transform your personal brand into a leadership brand so that people will instantly think of you when you're needed. And then you can get those rewards that are associated with whatever you're trying to focus on.
So what are some things people can do to go from that personal brand to building into a leadership brand?
So you would do some of the many things that you're doing already in social media. So you would, share information, content, unique knowledge, but I challenge my clients to take it one step further and try to find information and data that's valuable, but not easily found on Google. You might find it there, but if it's something that everybody knows and you're putting it out there, you're probably not going to get a lot of recognition. But if you are able to put information out there that is not common knowledge and you've been able to curate it with a step-by-step process, those are the types of things that will help you to stand out. And you will naturally attract those types of followers that you're looking for by providing valuable content.
Okay. Yeah. You talk about differentiation. We talk about that a lot on the show. What would you say to someone who is struggling to define their differentiating factor?
Yeah, that's a great question. And you know what? A lot of people are, and you need to take the time out to do that and either find what it currently exists or work to define how you want to be seen. In the book, we even have a whole section at the beginning of the book where we help you, answer a few questions to identify what we call your point of differentia. A differentia is a unique expertise or knowledge or aspect that differentiates you from others. You've got to drill down into exactly what that is that makes you so special so that you can articulate it to others. Because if you can't articulate it, others are not going to be able to guess it or articulate it either.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Zone in on what that messaging is. So you can incorporate it in everything you do. Your LinkedIn profile, your websites, if you're working at a company, into your performance reviews. You need to be able to articulate what is so special that you're bringing to the table that they can't get anywhere else.